Our planet is warming. This warming has a profound effect on our oceans. As the Earth heats up, so do our oceans, leading to a phenomenon known as sea level rise. This rise poses a significant threat to coastal communities and ecosystems worldwide. The consequences of unchecked sea level rise are far-reaching. Coastal erosion will accelerate, putting homes, businesses, and infrastructure at risk. Low-lying island nations face an existential threat, with their very existence hanging in the balance. The delicate balance of marine ecosystems will be disrupted, impacting marine life and those who depend on it for their livelihoods. The year 2024 was a stark reminder of the escalating impact of global warming on our oceans. Global sea levels surged by 0.23 inches, surpassing the predicted rise of 0.17 inches. This increase contributes to a concerning trend. Since 1993, sea levels have risen by approximately 4 inches. This alarming acceleration is directly linked to the unprecedented warming of our planet. 2024 earned the unfortunate title of the hottest year on record since 1850. The consequences of this heatwave are being felt across the globe, particularly in our oceans. The excessive warmth is the primary driver behind the alarming rate of sea level rise we are currently witnessing. The link between rising temperatures and rising sea levels is twofold. Firstly, as the ocean absorbs heat, its water expands in volume. This phenomenon, known as thermal expansion, has been the dominant contributor to sea level rise in 2024. Secondly, the increasing temperatures are causing glaciers and ice caps to melt at an alarming rate. The meltwater from these land-based ice formations flows into the oceans, further adding to the rising sea levels. While thermal expansion was the leading cause of sea level rise in 2024, it's crucial to remember that both thermal expansion and glacial melt are driven by the same force, global warming. The excess heat trapped in our atmosphere due to greenhouse gas emissions is the common denominator in this equation. The evidence is clear. Our reliance on fossil fuels is warming the planet, and this warming is causing our oceans to rise. The consequences of inaction are dire, threatening the lives and livelihoods of millions of people living in coastal communities around the world. As NASA's Josh Willis aptly stated, every year is a little bit different, but what's clear is that the ocean continues to rise, and the rate of rise is getting faster and faster. His words serve as a stark reminder that we're on a trajectory that demands immediate action. Addressing climate change is no longer a choice, but a necessity. We must transition away from fossil fuels, embrace renewable energy sources, and implement sustainable practices to curb our emissions. The future of our planet, and the generations to come, depends on the choices we make today. Let us act with urgency and determination to protect our blue planet, our shared home.